Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gary Vinson. I'm the service director here at Piedmont Automotive. I just want to let everyone know that the health and well-being of our customers and employees is our top priority. Here are some of the steps we have implemented to ensure your safety.
At Piedmont Automotive, we have steps in place to keep the safety of our customers and our employees. Remaining 6 feet from each other, we disinfect your vehicle with a spray before we bring the vehicle into our shop. We protect the shifter and the steering wheel with plastic covers. Our technicians use gloves when working on the vehicle and pulling it in and out of the shop. We sanitize the vehicle before returning the vehicle to you. While in the dealership, we clean and sanitize all the doors and handles and furniture several times a day. We have multiple hand sanitizers available in our dealership for customers and our employees.
Thank you once again. If there's anything that we can do, do not hesitate to give us a call. Thank you and have a blessed day.